Hello everybody, today I have a lock here from Crispy Bear. It's a challenge lock. This was sent to me by Potty. This is the bidding. I can't wait to gut this lock and see what sort of pins are inside it. Working fine, but obviously the cam is hitting the vice there, as you can see. Locked up. Can't wait to pick this lock and see. So now I'll be using a homebrew tension wrench and then a deforest pick. I don't know if I used this wrench originally, but I've got a few like this, so let's try. Mediocre tension, pin 1, nothing, 2 little click, 3 big click, 4 click, 5 little bit of rotation on the core, I'm gonna light getting something on 2, I think that is. There, got a little bit more on 1. Got a click on 4 there. Oops, sorry, I forgot to focus in. Got a little bit on 4 there. I'm gonna start again. 1, 2. There, I got a nice fault set of 3. Getting nice. I bet it's got serrated pins inside. See that got a fault set going on. Is this pin 1? Yeah, there we go. We got it open. It was pin 1. That was the gatekeeper. So let's get this gutted. So the lock is here, guys, as you can see. Let's get this for the gutting now. Give you guys a clear view on the pins and things. Let's get it all in view here. There we go, as long as it's in view. The screwdriver. Can't wait to see what pins he's put in here. I know he put some evil pins. Where the hell did that go? Oh, it's there, the screws there. There we go. Follower inside. Luckily we've not locked it back up, but even if we did, it would have been okay. I think this follower is too big. Let's try this one. That's too big. 1 second, I'll have to get the other follower. Hopefully this one should work. Yes. Yep. All the way, this one's worked. So there's the core. Put the core here for a minute. You can see, I can see some counter milling already. Let's get the tweezers out and start off with, oh no, start off with pin 1, shall we? So pin 1 is like a serrated. You'll get to see it. You'll get to see all the pins in a minute, guys. 2 is a spool. 3 is a serrated, like a serrated mushroom type thing. 4 is a beautiful serrated pin. 5 is like a serrated Asa style pin. There we go. There's the core, and I'll show you. Pin 1 is a serrated pin. Pin 2 is like a very fine spool. 3 is like a spool top pin. 4 is another spool top. 5 is a spool top pin. And the core is 1. I don't know if you can make out, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything's counter mill. Let's give you a good look at the pins now. So there you go. Key pin 1 is a serrated with a serrated driver. 2 is a spool with a spool. 3 is a spool key pin with a serrated. Number 4 is like a spool key pin with a serrated pin. Number 5 is a very deep spool with a serrated. Thank you very much, and see you on the next.